What a monster move we called out on Bitcoin BTCUSD. If you took this trade that we called live last week before it happened, you would have caught this whole entire move right here, which was a 16% gain just on this trade right here. And yes, you can trade crypto on Forex as well. So stay tuned because we're about to go over these trades that we called out live last week, just like this one on Bitcoin right now. So we're going to be going over the trades that we called out live on the week of September 27th, 2021. So just to introduce myself real quickly, my name is Eddie Chase. If you didn't know, we post out live trades that we're looking to take in the Forex market every single Monday. The start of a fresh brand new week, we call out the trades live of what we're looking to take. So we just call out a few trades and we go over them at the end of the week and see how they played out. And this is just to show you guys that our strategy, the 100 Pip Club strategy that we're always using, it does work very well if you apply it in the same rules and the same concepts that we were using every single day. This is what we do day in and day out. So without further ado, we're just going to hop right into it. We're going to go on our first trade, which is GBP AUD, GBP order right here, guys. This is a trade that we called out live on Monday, September 27th, like I said. And we were aiming for the targets right here on the green lines marked already beforehand. And we were going to aim all the way for these highs right here. So we wanted a long, we took a buy or a long position and we wanted to aim for these three targets. I'm going to play it out for you guys right now so you guys can see what happens. So price came up, it hit our targets, but then it ended up breaking down below, which does happen, and it will happen sometimes. Price is never going to go exactly the way that you plan it out or the way that you think it's going to go, which is the reason why we have our risk management in place. But if you notice, we did have our stop loss already in place. This is a long position tool, which is located right here on our toolbar in Trading View. So we use this in order to distinguish where we are going to enter the trade, which is right here, and then where we're going to put our stop loss at, which is already right here noted on the trade. And then we have our take profits, and basically the green is what we're looking to accomplish in the trade, and the bottom of the red zone will be our stop loss, which means that the trade will stop out at this point if it were to go below this point. So in our strategy, we take profits along the way. At our take profit number 1 here, we took profits again at our take profit number 2, and it came very close to our take profit number 3, but at this point it ended up coming back down. The best part about our strategy is that we always cover our ends. So what we do is once we pass the first or the second take profit, depending on how price is moving, normally I like to wait till it passes TP number 2, which is take profit number 2 right here. Once it passes that, I'm going to bring my stop loss to break even. So what that means is that right now, essentially there's zero risk involved. I took some profits here off of my trade here. I take profit number 1 and take profit number 2 as well. And then I'm aiming for take profit number 3 right now. So as of right now, I ended up breaking positions off or partials off of my position. Therefore, I'm only in a small position, which is called a runner, and I'm aiming for take profit number 3. Once I hit take profit number 3, I'll take some more profits from my position. I'll leave a very, very small runner for the top. So we entered at this position here. We took profits our take profit number 1 at 27 pips. Take profit number 2 was 64 pips. It came up to 105 pips in profit, but it didn't quite hit our take profit number 3. Therefore, at this point, we were already at a break-even position. We already secured 64 pips. We were in a very small runner, and price ended up coming all the way back down to stop us out. As you see here, it stopped us out at break-even. So we lost nothing on this trade. We ended up making money on take profit number 1 and take profit number 2. So just to give you an example of exactly how much we can make on something like this. So this totaled about 105 pips that it gave us this trade. Just taking a one lot position alone, let's say for example, if we hit take profit number 1, which we did, it would have been 27 pips, which means it would have been $270 that we would have made. And if it would have came to take profit number 2, we would have made 65 pips, which is $650. And then take profit number 3 was 105 pips, which is $1,005 that we would have made on a one lot trade. But this is just to give you a sense of what you can make in the Forex market. And this is the best part about it, guys. We cover our ends and we secure profits and we secure our trade always. This is the smart way to trade with a very good risk management in order to protect our capital. So that was our first trade that played out. Our second trade was NAS 100, and we said that price was very bullish. As you can see, it's moving up. So we were expecting a push up again on this key level right here to do something like this, potentially come up, come back down, and shoot up. We saw the confirmation to enter long, so we took the long here on this trade, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened. So price ended up shooting down, breaking down very hard below, breaking actually even below this key level here, and it came down even lower, and now it's retesting. So basically with this one, it was a loss. And it's important for you guys to know that every single trade is going to be a win, but this is the reason why we have our strategy in place that protects us and protects our capital. We take a 1% risk right here. So we took this trade as a loss. It was a negative 1%. On the trade before that, we made about 2.5%. So we were still up at this point. So this is the best part about the strategy. Again, guys, is the risk management is always in place. It's always on point. These things are going to happen. So make sure that you guys understand that you will take losses from time to time. Not every single strategy is 100%. And that's very important for you guys to know. The next trade that we called out live was BTCUSD, or Bitcoin as we know it. So we said that Bitcoin was very bullish. As we see the uptrend, we see it coming back down to retest these levels. It came down, retested this level pretty hard, but we're looking to target up here somewhere at the key level above at around 48,000. We called out our TP number 1, our TP number 2, our TP number 3, noted in the green lines as you see here. We entered a long position here and we said that we would look for a bullish run on Bitcoin to come up to hit 48,000, and this is what happened. So we see that price ended up coming way back up right above, got very bullish again over the weekend, which was an awesome trade. This was a very good trade. We see that we entered here around this level. It came down a little bit, so we took a little bit of drawdown, but we had our stop loss in place. So then price ended up coming up to our take profit number 1, as you see here, popped up to take profit number 2, take profit number 3, and now it's currently above and retesting the top of the key level at 49,000. It's above our 48,000 key level. So this was an excellent trade. This was about a 16% gainer. From here all the way to the top was about 16.92, almost 17% gain, which is an awesome trade. This is very good also to use when you're investing meaning that you're not really trading it, you're just going to buy it at certain levels. So you want to know, where can I buy on the dips, right? Well, what you can do is you can just identify the key levels, the same key levels that we use on our 100 Pip Club strategy, and you can wait for price when it comes back down to retest these key levels and gives you a nice confirmation according to our 100 Pip Club strategy. You can even use that in order to invest and just buy the dips, because you know where you can buy now because price is going to move up, and instantly you see that we have almost a 17% gain on Bitcoin USD. So you can do this either two ways. You can invest, and also you can trade this via Forex. You can trade cryptos on Forex, which would be like margin trading. So you can also do that as well, and you can make some really nice gains and take profits here. To take profit number 1, take profit number 2, and take profit 3. As you see here that we marked on the green lines, it hit every single take profit. So this was an excellent trade. It's very bullish right now, and we're waiting for Bitcoin to see if it can break above this key level now, and potentially we'll have a trade set up for next week on our next episode. So the last trade that we had was AUDNZD. So what we said with AUDNZD was we were waiting for a retest of 1.03600, somewhere around here, around the middle of the key level here again. We're waiting for a retest here and find maybe a confirmation, something like this, where we see it come down and bounce off, give us a nice confirmation. We were going to look to take it long up to 1.04300. And this is exactly what happened. We see that price never actually retested it, and it ended up breaking straight above and just becoming very bullish. As you see, it just gave a very big bullish run. It broke completely above this key level of 1.04200 before even retesting the 1.03700 key level that we were looking to enter. So unfortunately, we didn't catch this trade because price did not come down and hit our key level of 1.03700. We didn't see a confirmation, so we couldn't enter. There was really no pullback, and it just flew right above the key level above. But the good thing about it is to see that our strategy works. Now that we're up here, we're probably going to end up looking for a bounce somewhere around these levels here at 1.04200 to take it right back up and to continue the trend reversal, which is going to be up now. So this is what we're going to be looking for, but this is going to be something we're going to go over on our next video when we announce our trades live tomorrow on Monday. So I hope everyone is profiting with us and taking these trades and learning something with this video series that we're doing. If you like the videos, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our page. We're going to be doing this on a weekly basis, and looking forward to seeing you guys join us and profit with us. So that's going to be it for recap episode number 6. I'll catch you guys on the next one.